Hello everybody, and today we're going to be back for another video on how to perform an idle relearn for all of your Chevy models of vehicles. First and foremost, I've driven this vehicle around a little bit, so it's kind of warm right now, which is good. You want to kind of let that engine have warmed up already. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take your key and you're going to turn the car on and you're going to let it run for 3 minutes and just let the idle run in park. Make sure your vehicle's in park, make sure your climate control is off, make sure your radio's off, your headlights are off, everything is off in the vehicle, and you're just gonna let the engine run for 3 minutes. And then, after it's run for 3 minutes, and you've let that engine relearn, you're gonna take it, you're going to turn the engine off, take out the key, and you're gonna let it sit for 30 seconds. And you're just gonna sit and you're gonna time it for 30 seconds to 60 seconds. Maybe give it a little more time if needed. And then after you've let it sit for 30 to 60 seconds, you're gonna turn it back on. And then you're gonna let it sit for another 3 minutes. Climate control still off, still in park, headlights off, no radio, nothing. Let it sit there, let it relearn that idle. And then after you've let it sit for 3 minutes, you're gonna turn it off again, and then it should have relearned its idle by now, and you're good to drive it around. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments. I would really appreciate it if you like the video and subscribe, and keep in touch for another videos to come.